Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the TheFonoGuy. So, Nokia back with another cheap smartphone. The Nokia 1.4 announced it with a larger 6.51-inch display, bigger battery, and the price is really cheap. The new Nokia 1.4 dwarfs its predecessor in terms of screen size and a battery capacity, but not price. The phone has a €99 and should be available globally starting from today. The biggest change is the new display, a 6.51-inch panel with a 720p plus resolution, 20:9 aspect ratio. For the comparison, the Nokia 1.3 had a 5.71-inch display. Also, the battery now has a 4000 mAh in its tank, up from a 3000 mAh. However, that did not come with a corresponding upgrade in a charging speed 5 watt, as all you get a raw still. It's a pipette through a micro USB. As always, HMD is promising 2 day of a battery life in the Nokia 1.4. So the new phone runs Android 10, not the 11 Go edition, out of the box, and it's ready to jump on the Android 11. Sticking with the Go edition is necessarily the device is powered by the Qualcomm 215 chipset, quad Cortex A53 at 1.3 GHz, and Adreno 308. The base configuration is pretty limited with only 1 gigs of RAM and 16 gigs of storage, but top version has fairly ingenious 3 gigs of RAM and 64 gigs of storage. The micro SD slot officially support card up to 128 gigs, and Android Go has excellent storage management tool to keep things slim. The back of the phone, as you can see, the Nokia 1.4 switches to the Oreo style camera bump, and now there are two modules on board, 8 megapixel main camera as before, and the new edition 2 megapixel macro camera. Also new is the fingerprint reader mounted below. The phone is banking on a Google processing algorithm in the Camera Go app to elevate the otherwise basic camera with a feature like night and portrait mode. There is also 5 megapixel selfie camera in the front. The phone has a 2 nano SIM slot and LTE Cat for connectivity, 100 Mbps download and 50 Mbps upload speed. Additional, there is a Wi-Fi, BGN, and a Bluetooth 4.0, as well as a GPS, same as before. The 3.5mm headphone jack can be used to listen to FM radio as well as your own tunes. The Nokia 1.4 should be available later today. Though at this time, the writing the online store have not put up their buy button yet. Anyway, the link in the description will take you your original Nokia subsite. So check out the description link if you want to buy, and let me know in the comment section, are you like this new €99 smartphone from Nokia? And also like the video and subscribe for more tech videos. I'll catch you later in my next video. Peace out.